Welcome to Bahamas Educational Express Health and Family Life Lesson Video. What's in our environment? Learners will be able to list some of the natural resources in our environment, list some of the renewable and non-renewable resources, state reasons to preserve natural resources. The natural environment is made up of resources that people need to maintain good health. These include clean water, fresh air, animals, trees, plants, adequate and safe shelter, nutritious food. Physical activities and exercise. Let's talk about clean water first. Clean water is important for drinking, bathing, and performing daily chores. Air is essential for life and good health. Animals provide various sources of food, clothing, shelter, and companionship. Trees and plants provide food, homes, and shade for people and animals, and give off oxygen that helps people to breathe. Some resources are renewable. They replace themselves naturally. Some resources are non-renewable. Once they are used, they cannot be replaced. Non-renewable resources. A non-renewable resource is a natural resource which cannot be produced, grown, or generated. Once depleted, there's no more availability for future needs. Example, fuel, fossil fuel, coal, natural gas, petroleum, which is crude oil, and minerals, example, copper. Non-renewable resources, natural resources such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas take thousands of years to form naturally and cannot be replaced, reproduced as fast as they are being consumed. Let's look at prevention of renewable and non-renewable resources. First, we should produce alternative source for human consumption. There is lots of development and growth. We should be careful when we developing and growing our community, our environment, not to take too much of our natural resources. Implementation and policies to protect renewable and non-renewable resource. We should put in place policy that will prevent our resources from not being depleted. Reduction and overfishing of the ocean. We should put policies in places for overfishing not to be allowed. For example, putting in place closed seasons. Deforestation. This is cutting down of trees and not replanting. When we cut down trees, we should make every attempt to plant trees in that same area so that we can always have our trees. This has been our lesson on our environment.